Hey there, welcome back to Building a House from Trees. What a day! Here we are, March 5th, and there's still 5 feet of snow on the ground. I plowed this morning, another 5 or 6 inches. So, I'm going to be doing some more milling in this week's video. I hope you guys like milling, because that's what are we, 5 episodes in here, and that's kind of what the focus has been, because that's what the focus has had to have been for me. I appreciate your patience, and pretty quick I'll be back to working on the house, putting some of this beautiful lumber vertical, and I'm really looking forward to it. I was over in Vermont this weekend working with Fairline Design, Jeremy Gantz. We were building a giant, super heavy butcher block out of rough cut lumber, and you can take a look at it here. We worked way too late into the morning. Half done, going back this weekend to weld up a steel frame for it, but of course there's going to be a video on all that, which I'll be sure to show you here in the next couple weeks. Doing it for the catering company, Hindquarter Catering, and it's gonna outlast all of us watching, so hopefully. Anyway, back to milling. More boards, more beams. No, not so many beams, but more boards, more 2x6s. Right now I'm going to just dive into this pile right here of beautiful logs that I brought to the yard here in the last video. They got a little bit of snow on them still, but man, the sun is nice. What a difference. Still going to be -5 tonight, but here we are. All right, let's go. So that there is called a cant. And I read about it last night, and I was going to tell you about it, and now I can't remember why it's called a cant. Is that ironic? I don't think so.